Well, the main reason for Myer's loss was that it had to write down the value of the clothing brands it bought 6 months ago from its biggest shareholder, Solomon Lew, by $213 million, which was definitely not ideal. On top of that, Myer's new distribution centre in Melbourne has been a disaster. Apparently the computer doesn't talk to the robots, which is also not ideal. Myer shares had halved between the start of the year and last night, and today that became 2/3. The rest of the market averted its eyes and went up thanks to 1% gains, roughly, by all the big banks. The AI semiconductor company Nvidia has agreed to invest $100 billion US into the company that owns ChatGPT, OpenAI, which in turn says it will spend the same $100 billion on Nvidia products. They could just keep doing that forever. And that money go round helped lift the US share market last night. But the maker of Tylenol, Kenvue, fell 7.5% before President Trump linked paracetamol with autism. The company will have a worse headache tonight, I'd say. And meanwhile, Jimmy Kimmel's employer, Disney, also fell after they said his show will be back on tonight. And the gold price has hit a new record high above $3,700 US. The rise of gold since the start of last year, and especially this year, has been astonishing, fuelled by US rate cuts and Donald Trump doing what he said he would do, which is increase tariffs and cut immigration. A demand shock combined with a supply shock. Global investors see it as a bit like the combination of nitro and glycerin, and they're getting out of there before it blows. And finally, in all this mayhem, the Aussie dollar was an oasis of calm today, steady at 65.9 US cents. And that's finance.